Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Stumble, guys. And if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay? So you can see here on the upper left corner of your screen, there is your username and there's a pencil icon beside it, right? So what you want to do is you want to click on that, right? So once you click on that, you can see the pencil icon on the right side. So you just want to click on that again so you can edit your username. And now choose any username that you want. Okay, you need to be careful on choosing your username because you can understand it later on. And now click free. And now once you want to change your username again, you need to pay 100 gems. So that's why I said earlier that you need to be careful on what username that you put on your account, right? So that's it. That's so simple, right? So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.